Welcome to Wildcraft Builds. Here we write stories of overcoming the impossible with our own hands. With no contractors, no heavy machinery, just $5,000 and our unwavering determination, we have set out to build a new life from scratch. Our goal today is to leave behind the comfort and allure of modern life and construct a hut in pure tranquility. Let's get started. At the start of the construction, the entire area is being cleared and leveled to create a strong and even foundation. Using the tractor-mounted front loader blade, the soil is being spread and leveled across the construction site to create a strong, even, and suitable base for building the house foundation. Sand is being delivered to the construction site by a dump truck, then evenly spread and leveled using the tractor-mounted front loader blade to create a strong and level base for the house foundation. The sand layer is being compacted and leveled using a plate compactor to prepare a perfect base for the next stage of construction. After the measurement work is completed, an earth auger is used to begin drilling foundation holes at the marked locations. After the foundation holes are completed, the timber is cut to the required size using a miter saw, then cleaned and coated with a protective finish to prepare it for wooden house construction. PVC form pipes are being installed at the marked locations to accurately prepare each foundation point according to the construction plan. After the PVC form pipes are installed, the timber beams are placed in their designated positions to begin assembling the main foundation framework. Concrete is being poured into the PVC form pipes to strengthen each foundation point, providing solid support for the entire wooden house. After the concrete work is completed, wooden floorboards are being installed one by one to form a strong floor that evenly supports the weight of the entire structure. After the wooden floorboards are installed, a vapor barrier membrane is laid over them to prevent ground moisture from reaching the timber and to improve its long-term durability. The wooden floorboards are being securely fastened to the frame with screws, ensuring the entire floor remains strong and stable. After the floor framing is completed, PVC drain pipes are being installed to provide proper wastewater drainage for the bathroom, kitchen, and other areas of the house. cross-blocking is being installed between the timber joists and securely fastened with screws to make the entire floor structure stronger and more stable. Insulation wool is being installed between the timber frames to help maintain indoor temperature and reduce outside noise entering the house. After the insulation is installed, a vapor barrier membrane is laid over it to protect the insulation from moisture and maintain its long-term performance. OSB floor panels are being installed and securely fastened with screws to make the floor stronger, level, and more durable. The wooden wall frames are being assembled and positioned in place to form the main structural framework of the house walls. After completing the installation of one side of the wooden wall frame, the wall frame on the opposite side is being installed to gradually complete the house structure. The wooden wall frames are being installed around the house and securely connected at the top, allowing the main structure of the house to stand strong and complete. After the exterior wall structure is completed, partition wall frames are being built to divide the house into separate rooms. The roof trusses are being assembled and installed one by one to form a strong roof structure, preparing for the next stage of roof construction. Roof trusses are being installed one by one across the roof in a uniform alignment, creating a strong, balanced, and complete roof structure. The timber joints are being secured with metal connector plates and screws to make the entire structure stronger and more secure. A weather barrier membrane is being installed around the exterior walls to prevent wind and moisture from entering the wall structure and protect the timber frame for years to come. Insulation wool is being carefully fitted into each wall cavity to improve thermal insulation and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Holes are being drilled in the wall frame, then electrical conduit pipes are inserted through them to prepare for the installation of electrical wiring in the next stage. Electrical conduit pipes are being installed throughout the house walls to provide safe and organized electrical wiring to every room. The weather barrier membrane is being installed around the exterior of the house. vapor barrier membrane is being installed on the inside of the roof to prevent moisture from reaching the insulation and protect the roof structure for the long term. A vapor control membrane is being installed on the inside of the roof to prevent moisture from entering the insulation and help maintain a stable indoor temperature. Any uneven sections of the roof frame are being leveled and smoothed with an electric planer, preparing the surface for the next stage of construction. Insulation wool is being installed between the roof sections to improve thermal insulation and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. After the roof insulation is installed, a vapor control membrane is laid over it and securely fastened with staple pins. OSB roof panels are being installed one by one and securely fastened with screws to make the roof structure stronger and more stable. After the OSB roof panels are installed, construction of the upper floor wooden walls begins. The upper floor wooden walls are being built one by one, while designated openings are being left for window installation. The main roof trusses are being installed one by one, followed by roof battens arranged in rows to form a strong roof structure. The roof trusses are being installed one by one, gradually completing the main roof structure. The front wooden gable frame is being installed and securely fastened with screws. The protective roof membrane is being laid across the entire roof and securely fastened. It prevents rainwater and moisture from entering, protecting the wooden roof structure. Two different protective roof sheets are being installed according to the roof's requirements, ensuring that rainwater and moisture cannot enter from any part of the roof. Wooden roof battens are being installed across the entire roof in parallel rows and securely fastened. Long wooden roof boards are being installed one by one along the roof slope and securely fastened. This strengthens the roof structure and prepares it for the next roofing layer. Metal roofing sheets are being installed one by one and securely fastened with screws. This protects the roof from rain, sunlight, and harsh weather conditions. Nuts and bolts are being installed at every upper floor wooden joint and tightened securely. This makes the entire structural connection stronger and more secure. The protective house wrap is being installed around the upper floor and securely fastened. The window is being carefully fitted into its designated opening and securely installed for a precise fit. All the windows are being installed one by one in their designated positions and securely fastened with screws. PU foam is being applied around the window to seal all gaps. It helps block air, water, and dust while providing a stronger and more secure window installation. A sturdy wooden stair frame is being built and installed at the main entrance for safe and convenient access to the house. The wooden stair frame is first coated with a protective finish. Then the wooden boards are installed one by one and securely fastened with screws to complete the staircase. The main entrance door is being carefully installed and securely fitted for smooth opening and closing. The wooden support posts for the front porch roof are being installed one by one and securely fixed in place. These posts will support the complete porch roof structure. The wooden porch posts are first coated with a protective finish. Then the upper beam is installed and securely fastened with screws. wooden beams for the porch roof are being installed one by one and securely fastened with screws, gradually completing the main roof structure. The wooden roof rafters for the porch are being installed one by one in alignment and securely fastened with screws. Narrow wooden battens are being installed around the house and securely fastened with screws. They create a strong, level base for the exterior cladding and give the house a more precise outer structure. The installation of the wooden battens around the house has been completed. The structure is now fully prepared for exterior cladding installation. The installation of the exterior wooden cladding has begun. Each board is carefully aligned and securely fastened in place. After completing one side, the installation of the wooden exterior cladding begins on the other side. Similarly, the installation of the wooden exterior cladding begins on the rear side of the house. After completing the rear side, the installation of the wooden exterior cladding begins on the front side of the house. The installation of the wooden exterior cladding around the house has been completed. The house now has a clean, attractive, and fully finished exterior appearance. The application of protective wood stain on the exterior cladding begins. This coating protects the wood from rain, sunlight, and moisture while increasing its durability. A protective finish is being evenly applied to the wooden exterior cladding around the house. After the construction is completed, a CCTV camera is installed at the front of the house. It enhances security by providing continuous surveillance and helping prevent unwanted incidents. The exterior window trims and corner finishing boards are being installed. This enhances the house's appearance while giving the edges a neat and sturdy finish. Transparent polycarbonate roofing sheets are being installed on the porch. They allow natural light inside while protecting the area from rain and sunlight. Finally, the wooden house construction is complete. Let us know in the comments how you like the house. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing content.